What's up, everybody? It's Coach Keys from Coach Keys Video Game School here, and I'm just doing a little bit different intro. Not me with my headset on talking to my computer screen. I'm talking to a camera now. In fact, a digital camera. But today we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting fractions. And I know that scares y'all. It scared me in middle school. Fractions were not my friend, but I'm here to help you get through it. And here to help me out is my lovely wife, Selena. Selena, say hi.
Hi, I'm Selena, Josh's wife.
All right, Selena, how do you feel about fractions?
Well, I use them during cooking, so I think they're really important to know if you like to cook.
There we go. Using them in cooking and baking and using all that stuff in real life. But I'm gonna be playing FortNite again, okay? And I'm gonna be showing fractions of FortNite. And remember, least common denominator is the key to adding and subtracting fractions. All right, let's get this thing rolling. Tilted.
Tilted.
Deuces. Where we want to go in Tilted? You call it.
I can fly fish.
Fish? Okay.
Yeah, I think I can fly fish. I'm kind of over it though.
There's no one else flying fish, and I'm lower than you.
Okay.
Yeah, get that gun.
I got the shotty. There's a pistol down here.
Hunting rifle.
After we loot fish, we need to move on. Across. There's two people here.
Yeah, I see
They're
him.
coming at me. They're coming at me.
I'm.
Oh, there's like a lot of people here.
All I've got's a hunting rifle, man. I'm not gonna be good up close. I've got 4 bullets. That's it.
Nice.
So, if we're gonna
Take my shoot. What am I doing?
left. John Wick left. Domed him. He's dead.
Nice. Take his AR. Take his AR. I don't need it.
Is that you shooting?
Nope, that's not me. I hear someone coming up.
Ow! God, I took all that to
Where
the
is it?
face. Directly. Right there.
Got him.
Nice.
Get that crossbow.
Need the minis. Someone else is coming. You hear him?
Here they come. Wait, I got hit in that?
Mm-hmm.
I did not realize that was 34 health. Oh my god. I never thought I got hit.
Nice.
Oh my god. I literally... Dang it.
You want that?
Bandages. Nah, you take it.
Middle bolt.
Oh. I can't believe I didn't know I didn't get hit. I mean, I got...
So I think someone else is coming.
Yikes.
Just gonna post up here behind this door real quick and redo my inventory.
I'm gonna try to shotgun anyone that walks up the stairs in the face.
Sounds like a plan. Alright, so we've come to our first question now, and as you can see, we'll be adding the fraction 10 over 11 plus the fraction 8 over 12. So I got these numbers from the weapons that I had in the game when I paused it. So when you're adding or subtracting fractions, the thing you always have to find is the least common denominator. Alright, I have this in bold up here so you guys know. When adding or subtracting fractions, find the least common denominator. Now, the way I did that with 11 and 12 is I just multiplied 11 times 12, and that gave me this 132 down here. Sometimes, when you multiply, you don't find the least common denominator. For example, if I have the denominators of 3 and 9, when I multiply 3 and 9, I get 27, but that's not my least common denominator. It is a common denominator, but it's not the least. The least common denominator between 3 and 9 would actually be 9. But in this case, with 11 and 12, just multiplying them together will give me the least common denominator. All right, and the reason we want the least is because we don't have to simplify as much at the end. So I multiplied 11 times 12, got 132. And then we got to remember what I do to the bottom of my fraction, I also have to do to the top. So I multiplied this 11 times 12, so I have to multiply this 10 times 12. And I'm going to fill out these two fractions down at the bottom. Then I'm going to add the across the top. And then once I do that, simplify my answer. And then turn, if it happens to be an improper fraction, turn that answer into a mixed number. All right, so let's do that now.
Also a spike trap.
There you go. We got C4 too. If we just want to go to town on.
Yeah, I dropped that. I have like all the weapons that I need right now.
Same here.
And no health.
That's my problem. So.
I'll be a bait. I'm gonna bait him.
Hey, hold up.
There.
Somebody's coming.
You want me to shoot at it?
Somebody's coming. Hear him?
Okay. Don't grab the C4 then. We're gonna light him up, okay?
Hold up. 1 sec.
Oh, here we go. Here he comes. Where is he? Here he comes, upstairs, stairs.
Got him.
No! Okay. You need to shoot at him at the same time as me, Josh.
Sorry, JT. There's a med kit for you.
We had to jump on
Impulse grenades!
How come you didn't shoot at him the first time, though?
Not gonna lie, I was building walls around myself because it sounded like he was coming from my right, which there's a balcony to my right. Must be nice to have more than 55 health.
Hey, you could have gotten it if you didn't let me die.
Whoa! Crossbow! Came from northeast, where we came from.
Okay.
Do you hear it?
I'm looking for it because I have a crossbow too.
They're trying to shoot through the windows and stuff. Oh yeah, definitely came from our base that we built.
Oh shoot! Yeah, I see.
Is that you building?
Yeah. Just building a door. I have a better crossbow than them. They have the blue crossbow that we left there. He's shooting at me. Can you shoot at him? Dang it, he hit me. God. Can't believe that. I was so close to hitting him, dude. Did you down him? I got one. I hit one hard.
Down him.
I'm about to hit the other.
Got them both dead.
Nice.
All right, here we have the second question, right? We have 8 over 18 minus, as a poorly drawn minus, 10 over 30. So the first thing we have to do is we have to simplify these two fractions. So we can simplify 8 over 18, they're both even, and we can simplify 10 over 30, all right? Once we simplify those, then we have to find the least common denominator, and then we can subtract the two top numbers, okay? So first simplify both of those fractions, 8 18ths and 10 30ths, and then once you do that, find your least common denominator like we did in the first question, and then subtract the top numbers. So let's do that now.
My unlimited ammo at him, Josh. Oh, he's jump padding. He wants to jump pad.
Do it.
Wait,
Oh,
he's
here you
going
go.
down.
He missed the hill!
Oh, there's a portal.
Oh, Jesus!
He's by himself because his partner didn't go with him, dude. what? I just got hit.
Oh, I took out a guy. At the porta fort.
I just got sniped from somewhere. I'm healing again. Rockets coming our way.
I gotta get this med kit.
It's not our way. I don't know where I got shot from. God, this has been the most play from behind game.
No!
Oh boy.
No! JT, build to me, please. Please. Wait, no, stay there. Go back.
I'm out of mats.
Oh, no. No!
Take it out of the street.
This is not how it works. It can't go out like this. I can't go out like this. No, JT, I'm gonna die in the zone. I'm gonna die in the zone. No.
Wait, I'm still out of mats.
Please.
Get behind. What are you doing here? Get behind. Get behind. What are you doing?
I can't.
I'm gonna drop 1 health for you. Nah, I think we're dead.
Run.
Oh, it's slow. We're good. I have no mats though. They're shooting at me. They're shooting at me, Josh. We're alive.
We're gonna hide.
Team
And-
player, Josh, man. Yeah, we're gonna hide for forever.
We're gonna let them shoot each other.
You know, I have like not much ammo, but I have a limited crossbow and I have 350 pistol ammo. So can't go wrong there. Okay, Josh, here's the plan. We're gonna wait in here and hope that everyone else dies.
I love it. We're gonna wait, and we're just gonna let them shoot each other, and then we're gonna loot the bodies and go home.
If they have rockets right now. Feeling like you've never shotgun.
No! Run! No! Alright, y'all. Well, that's how that match ended. Remember, when we're adding or subtracting fractions, we always find the least common denominator, okay? That is the first thing we always do when adding and subtracting fractions is find the least common denominator. Now, I have created a Twitter account for Coach Key's Video Game School and a YouTube account, and they are right here and right here. Alright? So be sure to follow those so that you can see updates for when I'm doing videos or when I post new videos. Adios.